everyone. Really important. I want to talk to you about how to screw up your mortgage loan application. Okay, it's really important. I don't mean to laugh. My producer's laughing right now too, but this happens all the time, and it's absolutely heartbreaking. Everybody works to the end. So one of the things we're going to do before you get the clear to close is we're going to verify your credit one more time. We're going to do a soft pull. Okay, that's another topic, but we're going to do a soft credit pull. We're going to find out if you opened up any new accounts, what you closed out as well, and we're also going to verify your employment. Okay, your one last check, and this needs to be done according to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. The lender must do this prior to consummation of the loan. Okay, so we want to talk about the #1 killer on how to screw up your mortgage right at the end, after you've done appraisals, surveys, everybody's set, the seller's already moved out of the house, the moving van's packed and driving down the road, and this is a last minute thing that the lender does. Okay, they're going to pull that credit for you again. Okay, and what's going to show up is you opened up a new credit card. Okay, this is #1. That's the #1 disaster right there. Okay, that one happens more than you can expect. Most times people go to their furniture shopping, they're excited about their new homes, but they go into the furniture store and they're offered, buy now, we'll take, if you just apply now, don't worry, it's a soft pull, you'll be told, we'll give you 20% discount off of this furniture. It's not going to happen. Anytime you apply for credit, it's a hard pull. That inquiry is going to show up. Okay, so if you just opened a $3,000 or $4,000, $5,000 credit line at that furniture store, you just opened a big credit line, they're gonna have to count the minimum, even if you didn't charge anything. And if your debt to income ratio is already tight, say you're at 49% DTI and you can't go over a 50, and now that new credit line just puts you at 52, we can't even pay that off because it's a zero balance. There's nothing on it. That minimum payment is going to set you over. You will be denied the loan. Okay, this is devastating. Buying a car. Okay, so if we're going to do that, we're going to buy a car. That'll kill you. Okay, that'll kill the loan. Okay, that's another one. Buying a boat. Okay, buy a boat. Go out and buy a boat. Don't do it. Don't open it. One of the other things is when you get your credit pulled, a lot of times what people do is they go, I don't like that credit report. We just pull your credit. We tell them, and this is why a lot of lenders won't give you a copy of your credit report. They don't want you to go and disturb that credit. Okay, so if you don't like it, maybe you have an old medical bill, a collection that's on there, something's on it, so you get mad and you go and dispute something on your credit. You go and dispute a credit line. Okay, you have to remove that dispute, so that's going to delay your closing. And if it's an old credit line or an old collection or an old charge-off or something you're disputing that was over a couple years old, you just refresh that. So when you go and remove that dispute, that's going to drop your credit score. All these things hurt you, okay? But the #1 thing, so you don't want to open a credit line, you don't want to close anything out, do not close out any credit, okay? Do not close out. Sorry about my writing, I learned it hieroglyphics. But anyway, so don't open anything new, don't close out anything new, don't. Just make your standard payments. Don't go paying lump sums because you may pay too much and not lose reserve funds that the lender was counting on. So you just want to make your minimum payment or a little bit more. Don't go pay anything off. Do not do anything without talking to your loan originator. Okay? Don't open, don't apply, don't do anything. Even if someone tells you it's just a soft pull, don't believe them. Don't mess up your loan. I hope that helps. It's a big heads up. Have a great day.